Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tynsong confirmed today that the District Council Affairs is reviewing delimitation bills from the KHADC and JHADC before sending them to the Governor. He also noted that the government will meet this week to discuss the relocation of settlers from the Harijan colony, following a request for more time from the Harijan Panchayat Committee. Two music icons